What is ammonium chloride used for? Have you ever wondered about the practical uses of ammonium chloride? This compound, with the chemical formula NH₄Cl, is quite versatile and plays a role in various industries and medical applications. Let's break down what ammonium chloride is used for in everyday life. First, ammonium chloride is a colorless crystalline substance. It can also appear as a white granular powder. It has a salty and slightly bitter taste. One of its key properties is its high solubility in water, which means it easily dissolves to form solutions. These solutions are mildly acidic, and the acidity can increase when heated. In the agricultural sector, ammonium chloride is commonly used as a nitrogen source in fertilizers. Nitrogen is essential for plant growth, and this compound helps provide the nutrients that plants need to thrive. Farmers often relying on ammonium chloride to improve crop yields. Moving to industrial applications, ammonium chloride serves as a flux in metalwork. When soldering, tinning, or galvanizing metals, this compound helps remove oxide coatings from surfaces. This process improves the adhesion of solders, making it easier to join metal pieces together. Another important use is in electroplating. Ammonium chloride is added to electroplating solutions to enhance the deposition of metals onto surfaces. This is crucial for creating durable and attractive finishes on various metal products. Ammonium chloride also acts as a corrosion inhibitor. In certain applications, it helps protect metals from degradation, extending the lifespan of metal components. In the medical field, ammonium chloride has several applications. It is commonly used in cough medicines as an expectorant. This means it helps loosen and clear mucus from the respiratory tract, making it easier to breathe. It works by irritating the bronchial mucosa, which promotes the production of excess respiratory fluid. Additionally, ammonium chloride is employed as a systemic acidifying agent. It can help treat severe metabolic alkalosis by maintaining an acidic pH in the body. This is particularly important for patients who need to balance their body's acidity levels. In veterinary medicine, ammonium chloride is used to prevent urinary stones in livestock. This helps ensure the health and well-being of farm animals. Beyond these uses, ammonium chloride has historical applications in pyrotechnics. It was once used to enhance flame colors and produce smoke, although safety concerns have led to a decline in its use for this purpose. Ammonium chloride also serves as an electrolyte in dry cells, facilitating the flow of electrical current. This makes it an important component in batteries. Lastly, it is used in certain adhesives to improve bonding properties. This helps create stronger and more reliable bonds in various applications. Understanding the uses of ammonium chloride not only highlights its importance in different fields, but also illustrates how chemical nomenclature connects to real-world applications. The name ammonium chloride reflects its composition as a salt of ammonia and hydrogen chloride, which is essential knowledge in chemistry education. This knowledge helps students grasp the practical implications of chemical compounds in everyday life.